GlobalGPT AI is one of the latest AI software releases, and today I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you're a digital marketer or just someone looking to get ahead with the best new AI tools, you'll want to stick around for this one. By the end of the video, you'll know exactly what GlobalGPT is all about and if it's the right tool for your needs. First off, let's talk about what makes GlobalGPT unique. It's built on a large language model designed to handle complex tasks like content creation, data analysis, and even customer interactions. Unlike many other AIs, GlobalGPT is versatile, capable of adapting to both business and personal use. So if you're looking to boost productivity, this tool could be a game changer for you. One of the standout features of GlobalGPT is its customization options. Whether you're generating marketing copy, technical reports, or social media posts, you can fine-tune the results to your specific needs. This isn't just a generic AI. It's built to get more accurate the more you use it, learning your preferences and tone over time. So, expect personalized outputs that feel tailored to your business or project. Now, you might be wondering, what makes GlobalGPT different from other AI software on the market? One big differentiator is its real-time learning capability. Most AIs require a lot of manual input and setup to get useful results, but GlobalGPT learns and adapts as you use it. It's like having a virtual assistant that gets smarter with every interaction, saving you time and boosting efficiency without requiring constant fine-tuning. For marketers, content creators, and business owners, GlobalGPT's ability to generate SEO-friendly content is another huge advantage. By using its powerful algorithms, you can craft blog posts, articles, and even social media content that are optimized for search engines. Plus, its natural language understanding allows it to pick up on trending topics and adapt to the latest market changes without you having to stay glued to every new trend. Another feature that's worth mentioning is the simplicity of its interface. GlobalGPT doesn't overwhelm you with complex settings or unnecessary bells and whistles. Everything you need is streamlined for ease of use, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced users alike. You won't need to be an AI expert to get results. Just plug in your task and watch it deliver. Security is also a priority with GlobalGPT. In today's digital world, protecting sensitive data is essential, and GlobalGPT's developers have made sure that it complies with the latest security standards. Your information is kept private, which is crucial when using any AI that handles customer data, marketing materials, or proprietary business info. Lastly, GlobalGPT integrates seamlessly with other tools. Whether you're using it for CRM, email marketing, or project management, it plays well with various third-party software. This makes it a versatile addition to any tech stack, particularly for businesses that rely on multiple platforms to run smoothly. Now, here's the best part. You can try GlobalGPT for free from the link below. I've personally tested thousands of AI tools, and after using GlobalGPT, I can confidently say it stands out for its functionality and ease of use. So, if you're curious to see how it can streamline your processes or take your business to the next level, give it a try for yourself. Before you go, remember to check out the other AI tools I've reviewed in the description. I've curated a list of the best ones that you can try for free based on my extensive testing. You don't want to miss it. That's it for today's review of GlobalGPT AI. If you found this helpful, be sure to explore the free trial and stay tuned for more AI reviews coming your way.